Hey everybody, I am Danielle. Welcome to Child's Pose.
I'm Jess.
And today we have a meditation for you. Find an easy cross of the legs, or you can lie down, whichever is more comfortable, and we will get started. So if you're seated, maybe place your hands on the knees. If you're lying down, maybe you place the hands on the body. Whichever you chose, let's close the eyes. And we're going to begin our meditation with one big breath together. So take a deep breath in through the nose and sigh it out the mouth. And today for our meditation, we are going to imagine that we are pebbles. And since you are the pebble, you get to choose what you look like. So first imagine, what color are you? Are you a bright pink or a yellow, orange, brown? You choose the color. And then what is the texture of your pebble? Is it rough or is it smooth? Are there little bumps all over it? And can you decide if you're a teeny tiny pebble or a bigger pebble? And then since we are the pebble, we're going to imagine that there is a big body of water in front of us, like the ocean. And someone we love gently scoops us up and then drops us into that body of water. And as we hit the water, we slowly sink down, 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 all the way until we reach the ocean floor. And once we hit the ocean floor, we are gently held by the tiny grains of sand, and they perfectly mold to our unique pebble shape. And as we feel the cool water around us, the ocean is big and expansive in your mind. Maybe you're looking around and seeing just how big the ocean is around you and how safe you feel being held by the sand at the bottom. Maybe we look up inside our minds and see the surface of the ocean, and that it's a beautiful blue, bright, sunny day. So sunny that we can see the rays of the sun coming through the top of the water. And we'll take a breath here. And as we look around, we start to see some ocean friends swimming by. Maybe a school of fish swim by us. Maybe they stop in front of us for a little while. You can see the different colors reflecting off their gills, off their fins. And then they continue swimming on. And then maybe we see some dolphins or seals. Whatever comes up in your mind. You see them swim in front of you, and then they swim away. And this is just like our thoughts. Sometimes we have a thought come up, we watch it, and then it gently swims away. And we'll take a couple breaths here. Just notice what you notice. Nothing good, nothing bad. It just is. And take a big breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Go ahead and gently open the eyes and bring your hands together in front of your heart. Know that wherever you are, you can always find that safe, gently held place inside your mind. Thank you for practicing with us today. We'll see you next time.
Make sure to click like and subscribe so you can see all of our new videos that come up. We'll see you all soon.
Bye.